The interesting part is that ship can sail through easily with the one condition: if that water does not get inside the ship. If it does not get inside the ship, there's no danger for the ship can sail through it. Having a direction, want to reach somewhere, if the water does not get inside. That's a metaphor, what I learned and what I have seen all the positive people they apply in their life. If there is a prevailing amount of negativity like an ocean around, and we are being like a ship in the middle of that negativity, our ship, our thoughts, our process, our destination still reachable if we do not allow that prevailing negativity to come inside of us. That's the message. As far as this negativity does not get inside of me, I can sail through easily. So what do I have to do? So I have to be very much conscious about what is I'm getting inside, what I'm been observing, and what meaning I'm been assigning to that. If this thing I've been able to control, no amount of negativity can impact me, because I have enlarged my capacity to deal with it if I stay focused on the thing. During the COVID scenario, I would say that there was a chance while we are being staying back at home, every one of us, like we had a choice. Either the choice was that we tune into the TV and looking to all and listening to all the statistics and data and the scenarios and the bad news which are being coming one after the other, or we had a choice at that instance to spend a good valuable time with our family and to focus on ourselves, developing some new skill set during the process. A choice is ours. So if we focus on to that part, we had a different outcome into that. So that is something, whenever you come across that sort of negativity and you feel like it's been in, imagine yourself like a ship and you are being on a travel and you are allowing the water to come inside of you, and that water has a potential that it might sink you together. So that is something which we have talked about. Now, there are some aspects which we have to talk right now. You might have seen that these are the different sort of terminology we are being familiar with. We might have experienced at certain point in our time. Sometimes you say we are anxious. Some instances we say, oh, I feel stressed. And that's the terminology we use. And maybe in some instances, we use that word as well. I'm feeling totally depressed and disappointed altogether. From that, in anxiety. Then there is a highest level when we say it's a stress, and then we go into the depression mode, which has been on the height. So it is a certain level of degrees of the same thing. Now, what is the definition of it? It say that as a human being, we carry in our head certain set standards for each and everything around us. What I said? We carry certain set of standards about the things around us. For example, there are certain set of standards which I carry in which my relationship, my kids, my spouse, my other friends should respond, should treat me, should behave with me. I had certain sort of expectation related to my company, that what I expect from them. I had certain set of expectation from my boss. I had certain set of expectation from the scenario I'm in. I had certain set of expectation related to my financial reality. I had certain set of expectation related to my health, etc. So we carry certain mental standards. Now, whenever I feel that if this is my set standards about some things, whenever I feel fearful that these standards which I am currently holding it not going to sustain for certain period of time, there might be a shift in it. My reality is going to be different as compared to my set standard. I go into the domain of anxiety. Now I become fearful. I say, oh my God, something should not go so that which can disturb something which I'm being living with certain standard. So this is a stage of anxiety. I've started creating anxiety within myself. Now when the changes started happening, when the things started happening on a negative side, and if this is my set standard about my relationship, about my company, about my profession, about my finances, about anything, and if my reality started happening over here right now, so there is a gap right now. If this is the gap which started happening, then I come into the stressful state. Now I'm stressed. And as far as I'm in the stressful state, I'm having a hope that someday with some action or something, I'm being able to bridge up the gap. It will go back again to normal. It is going to change, and my standards on my relationship or my anything else around, it will be there. So still, if there is a hope, there is a chance that any of the things which can bridge up that gap, but gap exists, but someday it will be bridge up the gap, I'm in a stressful state. Now, when the changes, when the circumstances, when the scenarios has gone to certain extended period in time, that I realize that the gap has become so big that by no means it is going to be covered. It's not going to be recovered back. And this new reality is not acceptable for me. It goes into a depression state.